How to change Garena account password. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your password on Garena account. So there are different methods of changing your password. However, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest way to change your password. So then to begin with, open up a web browser and then log in into your account. So to log in into your account, type in www.garena.com or account.garena.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So after you type in the link, you'll be directed to this particular page. Right over here, this is your home center. In order to change your password, go to security. And as soon as you click on security, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. In the left hand side bar, you'll be able to see an option as change password. Just tap on it. So then to change a password, you'll need to verify your email address first of all. So for that, click on get code if you're sure about this particular email. And now a verification code will be sent, so you also need to be sure about your time limitation. Now go ahead and open up your Gmail. As you can see right on top, there is the confirmation email. So scroll down a bit and you have this verification code. Now copy this verification code and then paste it right over here and click on the verify now button. To change your password, you'll need to provide in your current password first of all. After that, type in a new password, and you also need to type in twice for the confirmation. And then you need to verify or solve this puzzle so that to confirm you're a human. Now quickly enter in all of these details. Once you're done with this procedure, click on the change button, which is located right at the bottom, and after that your password will be changed, and you'll also be notified through a statement that your password has been successfully changed, and you'll be logged out of all the devices that you are currently logged in, and you'll need to log in with the newly created or updated information. In this way, you can change account password on Garena. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.